Welcome to our garage tour episodes. Today I resurrected a dead 5AFE and you can too. Every great comeback story starts with hitting rock bottom. For this 5AFE, that means a complete teardown. The goal here isn't just taking it apart, it's a mechanical autopsy. We need to find out why it failed. Where's the weakness? My first rule for a job this complex? Document everything. Every hose, wire, and bracket gets a label, and I take a ton of photos. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're not staring at a random bolt for an hour. With the accessories off, it's time to pull the head. On an aluminum head like this, you have to loosen the bolts in the reverse of the tightening sequence, working from the outside in. It's the only way to keep the head from warping. With the head off, we can finally get a good look at the cylinder walls, pistons, and valves to find the real source of our compression issues. After that, we'll flip it over, drop the oil pan, and get the crank and pistons out. Everything gets bagged, labeled, and organized. A clean workspace is a happy workspace. With our parts all clean and validated, it's time for reassembly. This is a game of precision and patience. We'll start with the bottom end. New main bearings go in, and the crankshaft is carefully laid in place. We'll use Plastigauge to double-check that our oil clearances are absolutely perfect before torquing the main caps down in their specific sequence. Next up, the pistons, each getting a new set of rings. Proper ring installation is key, so you need to stagger the ring gaps around the piston, usually about 120 degrees apart from each other. You just want to make sure